Hey folks, John here from ReadyAimIncome.com. It's no secret that if you're trying to rank for a specific keyword, that having a domain name that contains that keyword, or better yet, is itself the keyword, will help you dramatically when it comes to ranking within the search engines. So today I'm going to show you a quick trick that will allow you to dig up tons of available keyword-based domain names for pretty much any given niche. And this is particularly valuable when you're looking to create mini affiliate or AdSense sites where the goal is to start pulling in some long-tail traffic with pretty little effort. So the first thing we want to do is go over to the free Google keyword tool. If you don't know how to find it, just go to Google and type in Google keyword tool. It'll be the first thing that comes up. So for our example, I'm going to use the root keyword internet business. And that assumes that internet business is your niche, and then you hit search. Now the next thing we want to do is go over to where it says global monthly searches and sort it. We want it to sort from the most searched keyword down to the least searched keyword. Now the reason we're doing this is because for this technique we're only allowed to search 500 keywords at a time, so we're going to wind up trimming off some of our keywords, and we'd rather trim off the keywords that are searched less than the ones on our list for obvious reasons. Then we come over here and tick where it says keyword and go over to the download box, click the drop down menu and select download all keywords. I'm going to download it to an Excel file. There are a number of different options there. Save it to your computer. Open it up. Open up the file. Okay, and now we want to scroll down to basically keyword 500. Select it and everything else below it so we can delete them from our list. You can save these as well and search them afterwards if you want even more domain ideas, which probably isn't a bad idea. And then we've got our 499 keywords. Now you only want 499 keywords because up here at the top, the first thing that's going to show up when we copy and paste everything is the actual word keyword from our header, from our heading rather, and I'm just too lazy to bother deleting it. So we select all of those, copy them. I was having some trouble earlier copying and pasting. My computer's acting a little buggy, so I'm going to paste these over to Notepad first, just so that I'm certain that they stick. Closing everything up. And then the next thing we want to do is go over to GoDaddy.com. Bring your cursor over to where it says domains, and a drop-down window is going to open up, and we want to click on bulk domain name registration. I haven't had my coffee yet, folks. In the search field here, we want to delete what's there and paste our domain names. You can see them up here. Now we want to choose an extension. That for most of us is going to be .com. Any of these are reasonable. Typically people stick with .com, .net, .org. You don't want to tick all of them if you've copied over 500 keywords, because as you can see here, you're only allowed to enter up to 500 domains, and our next step is going to remove all the spaces and add that extension to the end of it. And if we selected .net as well, for example, we would wind up having twice as many domain ideas, which would be 1,000 in this case, and that's just too many. So we click search. Okay, apparently I've copied over one too many keywords. I think what's happened here is the HTML is actually copied over from below there, and it's seeing it as a character. Let's try it again. There we go. And as you can see, it has removed all the spaces and added the .com to the end of each domain. Now, it's also told us we had one error and it removed one domain name from our list. We don't have to even worry about that. Next, we click search again. And now you see a long list of domain names that say error in front of them. Now, that's not a problem. That just means that that domain name is not available, and that's very, very common. The majority of them are not going to be available because, after all, these are highly searched keywords. But down here in our search field, we have a long list of available domain names, and some are going to be better than others. However, these are all domain names that are in themselves keywords that Google recognizes as having a decent amount of traffic. Now, what I would recommend doing is going through here, finding one that works best for you, and then just double checking that traffic using Google's free keyword tool and make sure it's worth building a site around. But this is a really quick trick to find a whole ton of great domain name possibilities within your niche without spending hours taking each individual domain name idea and running a search on it to see if it's available. If you have any questions, you can email me at support@readyaiminCome.com, and if you found this video helpful, you can find dozens of other videos and resources just like this one at readyaiminCome.com. That's readyaiminCome.com. That's it for today. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the Academy.